motion is a motion that repeats in a regular cycle and moves through an equilibrium proportionally, so that displacement from an equilibrium on one side is equal to the displacement in equilibrium on the other side. Both cosine and sine functions show harmonic motion, although a cosine function begins at maximum displacement and a sine function begins at equilibrium.
An example of harmonic motion in real life is a bouncy ball. So the ball begins at equilibrium and force is applied. It drops down to minimum displacement, rises to equilibrium, and then reaches maximum displacement and returns to equilibrium. It continues repeating a cycle. This is a perfect example of a sine function.
Another real-life example of harmonic motion is a bungee jump. It starts at maximum displacement, falls down through equilibrium, and reaches minimum displacement through one complete cycle. This is an example of a cosine function.
Walter, I'm back. Visibility of sunlight over an entire year in a certain city is also an example of harmonic motion because during different seasons, different hemispheres are exposed to different amount of sunlight.
Our city is San Francisco. At the beginning of the year, it begins tilted away from the sun, and in the middle, it is faced towards the sun. This is why at the beginning of the year, we have less sunlight throughout the day, which causes later sunrises and earlier sunsets, and more sunlight in the middle of the year, resulting in earlier sunrises and later sunsets.